Here we will look at the different knob replacement options for your Magnalatch Series 2. What we have here is essentially a brand new knob with the top popped off. Here's what one looks like with it on. But you'll notice there's no damage around the top. It's rare that we get people who have knobs in such good condition. But if you do have a brand new knob, whether or not it has a cap on it or not, we make a knob cover that can be purchased. This knob cover is snap fit, so it essentially goes on and snaps, and you lift that up and it covers your knob. If the squirrels damage this piece, you pull it off and replace it. If you've got any more damage than this, you really should move up to the complete option. So this is essentially a replacement piece for the original, and it has a screw top. And follow the install instructions in the other video to really see the details here, but this allows you to replace your knob with a simple cover, and the orders will come with another lid. If you've got severely difficult squirrel problems, I would recommend that you get a minor knob cover as well. And so these actually will adapt and work on these as well. So instead of the squirrel damaging your whole piece, they're going to focus on this. When this gets damaged, it's a little thicker than the original. You simply unscrew it and you get another one of these. That's it for your V2 options.